Hi guys, welcome to Run Deals. I found these amazing corner protectors on Amazon. Now these are, there's actually 18 in here, and they come with various shapes in case you have different shaped furniture you want to put these on. They're going to be very, very cool. Now they're soft silicone and they're self-adhering. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's in here. Oh yeah, that's always fun to do. So guys, we've got these different shapes. We've got this kind of rounded one here. We've got some sharp corners here. They're not sharp, but they're 4 sharp corners. We've got just some different things going on. Really, really cool. We're gonna go ahead and put these on our furniture, and hopefully we'll help protect our little heads. Now this girlie loves to do cartwheels in our living room, but we've got this brick here, so I think these ones are gonna be perfect. Now these, like I said, these are soft silicone, and they've got this adhesive right here. You just peel off this backing, and then they should be able to stick really easily, just like so. And there's another one on the top here. There it goes. All right, now just stick it on, just like that. And then, boom. If she bumps into that, she's not gonna hurt herself as bad.